The next session I'm really excited about. You heard in Jim's presentation that one of the areas that is innovating equally quickly as much as Edge AI and cybersecurity is important in terms of innovating new use cases. The factory floor with industrial automation is one of the places that's innovating just as fast. And what is really great is we have a wonderful guest speaker from BMW that's going to tell us how they are managing all of the innovations that are happening on the factory floor and how the ecosystem can be a partner in bringing BMW vehicles to all of us in a much faster way. So it's my pleasure to introduce our next keynote speaker. He is the head of IT at BMW's Innovation Hub, just outside of Munich, Germany. Please welcome to the stage, Fred Hasselbeck.
Dear Lattice DevConf participants, I'm delighted to present the BMW Group Plant Dingolfing and the Innovation Hub today. My name is Fred Hasselbeck. I'm responsible for the IT in the Plant Dingolfing and for the Innovation Hub. In the next slide, I want to show you the Plant Dingolfing. Some of you will wonder, where is Dingolfing? Dingolfing is 60 miles east side from Munich. And we celebrate in this year 50-year production. We produce the 8th generation from the 5 Series in this year. Okay, 80,000 associates work in this plant, 12,000 in the vehicle production. We produced last year 280,000 cars. And when you look, we have the competence for the whole manufacturing. We have a vehicle plant, we have an electric plant, and we have a component plant. And the other, when you look 2.7, we have the biggest after-sales department. We deliver the dealer with parts. Okay, that is the side from the business. But when you look in the IT behind, we have, it's only the key factor, we have 2,500 Wi-Fi access points. We have 1,700 switches. We have 26 routers, 82 firewalls. We have 3,000 PLCs connected. And we have 2 data centers. We have heard from the speaker before. It's also important for us. Now we make a deep dive to the assembly in the vehicle plant. In the assembly, we have 2 assembly halls. The 2 assembly halls, we produce every day 1,600 cars. And we must mean 20,000 parts have a car. We have also a logistic supply chain. You need for this also IT. That's important. Okay, sorry, it's not right. We produce 10 hours in the shift, in 2 shifts, and you need a stable IT. When you want to produce 1,600 cars on one day, you need a stable IT. That is my big job to realize that with my team. In the next slide, you see we produce these cars. And what is the challenge? We produce this car in 2 halls in one line. We produce electric cars, combustion cars, and hybrid cars on the same line, because we want the maximum on flexibility. That is for us very important. Good, we can, that is the one we can realize them. When you look in the past, we start with a normal assembly line, Ford. Then es come more variants. In the 50 years, it comes the efficiency. And the next step today is system integration. And for system integration, we need also digitalization. That is a very important topic. And our chief officer for production, Milan Nedeljkovic, for this create the iFactory. iFactory means lean, green, digital. Lean, it's very important, you have small processes. The second is sustainability also. We want green, we want also. And the other point, and the important point for me, is digital. And for this, we want to realize the innovation hub. But we have a strategy. BMW, the IT have the architecture built for the order to delivery processes. When you show we start with the production hardware, is on-prem. Then the next way we want to go is to the cloud. We want to go with the production systems in the cloud. But we need stability. And that is a reason we need edge components to have this stability. We want to produce 1,600 cars on the day with no lost units, or we have production breaks because we have IT incidents. Okay, then, and we have the idea, can we test it? Can we test this in the environment what is safe? But it's really near the production. And that was the point. We have a trainings academy. It's in the near from the vehicle plant, 5 minutes when you walk. And we built an innovation hub in this area. We want to test this new technology in this environment. We say the innovation hub is a realistic laboratory. You see in the first picture. It was in the place where the innovation hub is created. He is protect and free. He is realistic and uncritical. We have the same robotics. We have the same production cells as in the production plant, but it's for the trainings. And that we use for test labor for the new technologies. We say we need collaboration. Collaboration is very important. Because why? We think for innovation you need three points. The first, you need a place you can test. You can test free, we have no impact to the production. This is the first. The second, you must be fast. When you're not fast for innovation, that is no innovation. And the third is collaboration. We need collaboration for innovation. And that was the reason when we start 2022 with entity data, with Intel, and with Microsoft. In the last slide we see ISAM, we have the next collaboration partner, but at the moment we have these partners, we have also the partners from the universities. The guest speaker before say ecosystems. We want to build an ecosystem with universities, with the companies here, and with the departments from the politics. We want to build in Dingolfing an ecosystem. And Lattice is also a very important partner for them to make this ecosystem. The next point, what is, I say, is a training center. The training center includes 900 apprentices we have. These apprentices works together with the partners, with the BMW specialists from production, and with the universities on the use cases. And what is the effect? They bring new technologies in the whole production world for us, because they are multiplicators. They bring this knowledge to the other point, and we are for a big transformation in the automotive at the moment. You know, all go to electric, the processes are changing, and these young people are the guys who bring it in the other big departments. They make a cultural change. That was the reason we say it. Good. What have we reached? 1 year we have celebrated on July. We have 15 use cases with different topics. We have location based on 3D scan data, cyber resilient platform, Isam tell us later, automatic driving in the factory. We have, I believe, Jim, you see it, when the cars automatically drive to the parking area. Model-driven control is a new technology, connect PLCs. UBSense 5G, we locating cars is very important for us. It's efficiency, and we make it with UBSense, we make it with 5G. And we can test, because the whole training center is with 5G network. AI on edge is also, we have heard, is a very important thing we test. And a chatbot for sustainability decision, because with Microsoft we have a partner, he has knowledge here, NTT has the 5G experience, and Intel have edge competence. HoloLens, virtual PLC, Siemens is a new partner with the PLC in virtual. The SPS goes to the cloud, it's a little bit away from him. Then we have extended robotics, cloud with KUKA. KUKA is also a partner now, we have a new use case. Edge services, data collection with BMW dealer, and Screw Data app. That is very important for us. We want to have all these points in a speed. We want test, and then we want in the industrialization. That is also important for us. Because when I have a good innovation, but I need the efficiency, I must save costs, and I want to be fast. And that means we must bring this innovation in the plant for the installation. And the motto from Dingolfing is from Dingolfing to the world. That is the point for us. We want not only for the plant Dingolfing, we want to bring it in the whole BMW group. We have a strong collaboration with Spartanburg. Is a partner plant for us. We have also Spartanburg two assembly halls. But I say Dingolfing produces nicer cars. So, but that's my opinion. No? Okay. That's the point, yes. And that I'm very happy to have the next use case to present with Lattice. Isam, that is your. Can you tell us together? That is for me very important. It's collaboration.
Collaboration is really key. When you think about, Fred, actually come here with me. You're not going away. When you talk about innovation in the industry, it isn't just about a supplier-customer relationship. Here's what I want, here's what I need. It's about us rolling up our sleeves. It's about us working together, figuring out what is the challenges that you need to get to that future factory. What are you trying to accomplish? And I think between the collaboration with BMW and Lattice, we're coming a long way. And that innovation hub that Fred talked about, that's a copy of the factory where we can roll up our sleeves and actually get stuff done. And this factory, by the way, is pretty impressive. I also had the opportunity to see this factory. There's millions of endpoints. It doesn't matter what production vehicle a customer is ordering, electric, combustion, what features, colors, rims, it doesn't matter, it all goes through one line. And I was really impressed when I found out that even the torque data of how they tighten the screws, that is recorded. There's tons and tons of data that's being collected. And as Fred said, that data, you have to leverage the cloud, but it has to have cyber resiliency to it. And you have to be able to do that on existing equipment, because you can't refresh everything that's in a factory. So those are the challenges together that BMW and Lattice are working on. How do we bring that cyber resiliency and that connectivity into an existing factory? And I'm really excited about us collaborating with each other and really building the future factory for BMW and then for others to leverage as well. So thank you, Fred, for your time here.
Thank you.
And by the way, Fred flew in yesterday, flying out today. So thank you, Fred. Really appreciate it.
Yeah. Thank you, Isam. I believe the Munich airport need also more sensors and predictive. He was not prepared for the snow.
Yeah, so
that was the reason.
They're the next customer we're going to go contact and start rolling up our sleeves and working with as well.
From the airport from Frankfurt, they have good connection. I believe it works better here.
Yes,
no?
But
they have no snow. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you, Fred.
To stay here.
We'll hand it back over to Matt.
Thank
you.
Thank you.
All right, those are excellent keynotes. Thank you very much, Fred, and thank you very much for the partnership with BMW. Automobiles are a very personal thing, you know, and to be a partner with the company that is responsible for the ultimate driving machine makes us feel like the ultimate innovation machine. So thank you very much, Fred. We really appreciate it. We are now going to take another break. We're going to go and let our viewers and let everyone here in San Jose experience all of our different demos. For those of you tuning in, feel free to go to our event portal online at latticesemi.com to experience all the demonstrations you've heard from our audience, along with any of the additional keynotes that you heard today. So again, thank you very much for being an active audience. We have a lot more to come. Super excited about all the things to share. And please feel free to reach out to any of our team members for more information. Thank you so much. We'll see you soon.